Geologists recently confirmed the lowest place on Earth, but the Quran identified it 1400 years ago without tools, satellites, or science. And the verse is shockingly precise. And the verse doesn't describe it vaguely, it identifies it with uncanny accuracy. Before we look at the verse, we need to rewind history, because what happened in 614 CE set us the stage for one of the boldest statements ever recorded. In the early 7th century, two superpowers ruled the earth, the Roman Empire and the Persian Empire. In 614 CE, they fought a battle in Greater Syria, in which the Romans were defeated. In result, the Damascus and Jerusalem fell to the Persians. Then within 9 years, they went to the war again, against all odds. The Romans this time became victorious, and the lost territories were taken back. Now, recent geological studies showed that the region where these great battles took place are around the Dead Sea. And this is the lowest land point on Earth. There is no land with lowest altitude than the shoreline of the Dead Sea. It is 425 meters below the sea level. Geological and satellite-based studies have shown that the Dead Sea lies in tectonic depression. This depression is real, not an excavation. It's a natural block formed by shifting plates, which led the ground to sink below the regional and sea levels, giving the Dead Sea its unique and low elevation. Now, what Quran said centuries ago, here comes the most important part. Keep watching. Quran says in chapter 30 verse 2-4, the Romans have been defeated in lowest land, but they after the defeat will be victorious within 5 years. In this verse, the Quran mentioned a word, Adnal Ard, which is worth mentioning. It has two meanings. One, nearest land, two, lowest land. The early classical scholars took its first meaning because of limited scientific knowledge available to them. This meaning is also correct. But now modern scholars take it in the meaning of lowest land. Why? Because scientific research proved that the area around Dead Sea is the lowest land on Earth. It is the region where the great battles took place. Isn't this a great miracle of the Quran? The another word this verse mentioned is Bidda Sinin. That means the period of 3 to 9 years. This was the prediction made by the Quran about the Romans' victory. Historically, this prediction came true exactly in the time span of within 9 years, despite the fact that it was not even to be expected by anyone, observing the prevalent conditions of their time. Now, could this be a coincidence, or is it proving that Quran is not man-made? Let me know your thoughts below. Thanks for watching.